Leeds at this point in time, we are getting on to 175 out of the 243 seats. Leeds, 99 for the NDA, 66 for the Mahagathbandhan, 4 for the Jan Swaraj, 6 for others. If we are looking at these numbers, century for the NDA very soon. We're looking at these numbers. Early trends. Will you still call them early trends? 846.
I would call them early trends after Haryana 2024 and Bihar 2015. Everything is too early right now. But one thing I wanted to make a point again. This election, along with the Maharashtra election, has a lesson.
Please no crosstalk. Tushar is making a point.
Sorry.
One has to understand that the minority, the Muslims, they vote en bloc, irrespective. They vote on the winning horse. In this case, it was the RJD. I don't think it was a ground feedback or anything. I think RJD was very clear. Teshri Yadav was very clear. OAC wants to act as a vote cutter. They did not want that.
But are you saying, okay, Leeds crossed the century mark, 101 for the NDA, 67 for the Mahagathbandhan, 4 for the Jan Swaraj, 6 for the others. Well, these are again early trends, but since it's a century mark, it's worth a notice. But I'm asking one question, Ashwini. The fact that Asaduddin Owaisi kept saying, Abdul kya dari bichayega, has it not worked in the Muslim cluster? Because nobody gives them the kind of position that Owaisi feels they should be given by even the opposition alliance. It's a question that you need to answer.
Most of the time, Owaisi or even Jan Swaraj works like a C team of Bharatiya Janata Party.
अच्छा, B से C हो गया.
Reason being,
B से C हो गया भाई.
no, B is election. I'll tell you why I'm calling it them C, because B is media and election commission. They are the B teams of Congress. They are the B teams of Bharatiya Janata Party. The election commission of India and the media are the B teams of Bharatiya Janata Party.
What has happened? How much?
Leads, 46 leads for the RJD, 10 for the Congress. Are we seeing a repeat of 2020 now?
8 and 10 out of 61.
10 out of 61 so far.
10 out of 61 and they are not
BJP at 50.
Yeah.
Great.
JDU at 32, which means together they're traveling. RJD at 46. Congress is at 10.
But that's a better strike rate than Delhi. That's a silver lining. That's a better strike rate than Delhi.
Better strike rate than Delhi and Sanjay Jha.
Congratulations.
You should take heart in that.
The best strike rate was ML in the Gathbandhan.
Right now we are getting slower response from the CPI-ML regions.
What about BJP? 1 minute.
Navika, the very fact that the BJP is being shown,
32.
the very fact that the BJP is being shown as leading in 85, and they have contested 101, I can tell you clearly, I can see that.
Please.
Fake news.
Navika, you were in the same college.
No, fake
Did
news.
Sanjay bunk classes? Did Sanjay bunk maths
1
classes?
minute.
You were in the
I
same
don't
That's
think
your
he's older
data.
or I
That's your
am.
data.
He looks older, I look younger.
No.
That's for sure, even if I have to say it. But yes, we are
Fair enough,
we are the same alma mater, but
enough.
that's why I'm nice to him.
But Navika, here is the point, right? Here is the point. Firstly,
Fake news mat bolo.
Firstly, we have to wait till at least 10:30 to get a sense of
We are
where this
waiting.
election
You are
is
here,
going.
I am here, we will wait. But please do not spread fake news. We have not said that the BJP is ahead in 85 seats, it's 51 seats, 109 for the NDA. Shehzad Poonawalla, Sanjay Jha is already trying to make a case that it's 85 on 101. And therefore, कुछ ना कुछ केस फॉर ईवीएम टेम्परिंग हो रहा है. ये शुरू हो गया है यहाँ स्टूडियो में. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
नाविका जी, ये तो इनका पुराना एक स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर है. कल भी तो उन्होंने कहा ट्रक आ गया, ईवीएम लेकर आ गया, पता चला खाली बक्से थे, फिर बोला सीसीटीवी गायब है, सीसीटीवी फुटेज डाल दिया इलेक्शन कमीशन में. पर नाविका, ओवैसी इज आवर सी टीम, बट दे टेक सपोर्ट इन राज्यसभा इलेक्शन, दे टेक सपोर्ट इन जुबली हिल इलेक्शन, बट वो सी टीम हमारी है. ये गजब का है. मतलब कि ये सी का मतलब क्या है भाई? ये सी टीम जो है, हम ए टीम है, आपने माना, धन्यवाद आपका, पर ये आप करो सी फॉर कोलिशन, सी फॉर कॉम्बिनेशन हैदराबाद में, सी फॉर कॉम्बिनेशन करो आप राज्यसभा के चुनाव में, और फिर बोलो कि ये सी टीम आपकी है. तो मुझे लगता है संजय झा बताओ, देयर इज अ गुड ओवेसी इन हैदराबाद एंड अ बैड
That
ओवेसी
was
इन
the point made by Ashwini. Ashwini, please respond.
See for communal also. You and
पर combine
Owaisi
तो आप कर रहे हो।
both tries to divide the country on the communal
तो
lines.
फिर जुबली हिल्स में साथ में लेके क्यों घूम रहे हो? हाथ में हाथ क्यों चल रहा है? नहीं, क्यों बताओ।
And Shehzad, ये 3D, 3C, मैं भी गिना सकता हूँ 3C, जिस पे आपने बिहार लगा।
No, Ashwini, I will not let you get away. Serious question. You said that they are communal and they are communal like the BJP. I'm asking you, why are you taking AIMIM support in Jubilee Hills by-poll today? Please answer in all seriousness.
If someone is ready to support us in any election, this is
So,
end of
सब
day, it is
communalism
election.
आपको चिंता नहीं है उसमें।
नहीं।
लीग को सेकुलर किसने कहा था भाई?
Rahul, I have a serious question for you.
No, 1 second.
Like Modi ji
Please
has
answer
degree in
this.
political science, you have degree in communal science or what? Because your every statement starts with Hindu, Muslim, Hindu.
Well,